Alright guys, welcome to chapter 4. In today's video, we are going to talk about user input. Interaction is a key aspect of programming and Python makes it easy for us to gather information from users. Let's explore the power of user input in Python. User input allows our programs to be dynamic by taking information directly from users during execution. In Python, the input function is our gateway to receiving input. Let's start with a simple example. Let's see how to work with it. Right? Let's call it username equal to input. Please enter your name. Okay. All right. Now I'm going to print it on screen. Username, right? Okay. Let's just type my name, Sandeep. Okay. So this is how you work with input. We are going to explore more functionality. And also, often we want the user input to be a specific data type. We can achieve this by combining the input function with typecasting. All right. So user input, and I want it to be, let's say, int, and here. Okay. Now, what we can do? Okay. Now we can check whether the user is entering integer value or any other value, right? We can do it with try username. Okay, uh, we can do it. Okay, now we are going to use except value error print invalid input. Okay, right. Now let's see. Sorry, I need to change this prompt here. Please enter a number. Okay, rerun the program. Okay, I'm going to type a name here. Invalid input. All right, so this is how you can check whether the user is providing correct value or not, right? All right, guys, fantastic. We have uncovered the basic of user input in Python. The input function gives our programs a dynamic edge, allowing users to interact with our code in real time. All right, join me in the next session. All right, take care. Bye.